The operation is very simple. The battery efficiency is now 87%. We just shut it down. The USB data cable is directly inserted into the data boot port and then started for data. View battery. An unknown component indicates a successful build. Continue shutdown and plug the data cable directly into the data modification interface. Boot automatically to 100% build battery. The charge is automatically set to 100% without the need for a tester wire and no additional key operation to directly insert the data modification interface to change